I declare, after all, there is no enjoyment like reading. How much sooner one tires of anything than of a book. When I have a house of my own, I shall be miserable if I have not an excellent library. And these lines are from the novel Sense and Sensibility. Hi everyone, welcome again to the class of literary readers. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about the famous English novelist of the Romantic era, Jane Austen. I'm gonna talk about her biography and her works. So let's start. Jane Austen was born in the year 1775 and died in the year 1817. Her works comes under the literary genre of known as novels of sensibility. Now what is novel of sensibility or sentimental novels? The sentimental novels is an 18th century literary genre which celebrates the emotional and intellectual concepts of sentiments or sensibility. That means sentimental novels were based on the emotional response both from their readers and the characters. So almost all the novels of Jane Austen deals with this literary genre, that is novel of sensibility. Except this, Jane Austen's literary works are part of realism and social commentary. Austen's plots often explore the dependence of women on marriage in pursuit of favorable social standing and economic security. We can assume the popularity of Jane Austen's works by the fact that her novels were republished in Richard Bentley's standard novel series appeared in 1833. Now let's talk about the major works by Jane Austen. First we have Sense and Sensibility, published in the year 1811. It was published anonymously with the name By a Lady, where the author's name might have been. Here we have three Dashwood sisters, Elinor, Marianne, and the younger sister Margaret, and the half-brother John. Here in the title of the novel, the character Elinor, who is the oldest sister, represents sense, qualities of reason and social responsibility, and her younger sister Marianne represents sensibility, that means qualities of emotions and impulsiveness. The setting of this novel is in London and Sussex from 1792 to 1797. Next we have Pride and Prejudice, published in the year 1813. It is a romantic novel of manners. Here we have the protagonist Elizabeth Bennet. The story deals with the honest depiction of manners, education, marriage and money during the Regency era in Great Britain. The setting of this novel is in rural England of the 19th century. Pride and Prejudice is considered the most loved books among the literary scholars. Then we have Northanger Abbey, published in the year 1818. It is a coming of age novel. This novel also has the Gothic elements, so sometimes considered as the Gothic fiction. It is a story of young women named Catherine Morland. It is divided into two sections, book 1 and book 2. Then we have Mansfield Park. It came in two editions, first in 1814, then in 1816. The story talks about the young girl Fanny Price. Then we have Emma. It also came in two editions, 1815 and 1816. It is a comedy of manners. Deals with marriage, sex, age and social status. Emma has been the subject of many adaptations for films, TV, radio and the stage. The story of this novel can be watched in the American movie Clueless and the Indian movie Aisha. Next we have The Persuasion, published in the year 1818. Here we have Anne Elliot, who is engaged to Frederick Wentworth. It is a story of second chance at love and marriage. Then we have Lady Susan. It is a short epistolary novel. And last we have the two unfinished novels by Jane Austen, The Watsons and Sanditon. At last we have remarks. The literary critic Harold Bloom considered Jane Austen as the greatest Western writers of all time in 1994. And Jane Austen is also on the 10-pound note. The note bears the image of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and the image of author Jane Austen on the reverse. So that was all about Jane Austen. If you have any query, please make use of the comment section below. And keep watching Literary Readers. Thank you.